Issued in public interest by Pratham Education Foundation. We know that the coronavirus can remain active on the surface of items for a few hours. Touching such items could lead to infection. In such a situation, what precautions should we take while consuming fruits, vegetables, meat or fish? Come, let's find out. Do not consume any food item without washing it. Thoroughly wash vegetables, fruits or meat and fish in slightly warm water. We should always do this whether there is a danger of corona or not. Never wash fruits, vegetables or any food item with detergent or disinfectant. This could make the food harmful for us. Consuming such food could be fatal. Wash your hands properly before cutting raw vegetables and after cooking them. Remember, do not touch your face while cooking. The same rules apply to meat and fish. Eat food that is completely cooked or boiled. Avoid eating raw food as much as possible. If you want to eat fruits, give preference to those with inedible peels. But wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds after touching them. You can eat sprouts by boiling them, such as chana or moong. Always wash your hands before and after cooking. Can we order food from outside? If there is no other option, then you can order food from outside and eat it, but follow all the precautions related to packing. If someone is delivering the food to your house, you can ask them to leave the food on the doorstep. This way, you avoid touching the other person. Throw away the packing material in a closed garbage bin. Order such food which can be heated. Wash your hands properly before and after eating. If you want to reuse the food container, wash it with soap water and dry it in the sun. Remember, whether there is a COVID patient in your village or city or not, whether the lockdown continues or ends, we need to take these precautions. Prevent the coronavirus from entering and spreading in your home and stay safe.